y'all? It's your girl Shanty, and I'm back with another video. All right, y'all. So let me sit down and talk to y'all. I'm not gonna lie, I have been vlogging all last year. I have so much footage of me just doing stuff, going places. I was in nursing school last year, so I was studying hella stuff, and it just never came to nothing. So I'm hoping that with this year, being that I'm out of nursing school and I'm in a new season, that I can actually vlog and edit these videos. All right, y'all. So anyways, with that being said, today is gonna be just a regular daily vlog. I don't work today, so I'm trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. I kind of want to go to the store, but I kind of want to stay home, so we're gonna see. But all right, y'all. So I just got out the shower, and I'm about to do a little makeup, just a little bit. I don't usually wear makeup like that often, but I do love doing my makeup, and because I really don't go out much, like I might as well just do it. So I'm gonna do it with y'all here with me. So I don't remember the last time I went to the movies, but I remember like last year I went on a little solo date to the movies, and I saw Stomp for Jesus, I think it was called, and it was a terrible movie. I hated it so much. I did not like that movie at all. And then there was one weekend when I saw like 3 different movies in that same weekend. Those movies are pretty good, but I don't know. I don't know if I like going to the movies back to back to back. Maybe because last year I didn't really have movie time. Maybe this year might be different. But after watching the other Creed movies today, I am excited to go see it. And I'm gonna go. I'm gonna get me some movie theater food. I know it's pricey, but I want it. So yeah. So just stay tuned while I do my makeup. I think I'm gonna fast forward it unless I have something to tell y'all. But yeah. Okay, so I put too much foundation on. I wasn't paying attention. And also the lashes that I have are cluster lashes. They're not strips. So I'm not sure to experiment with it or return it.
Let's experiment.
And if like there's actual makeup people on here, like Chantal, you're doing this wrong, it's okay. The end result's gonna be cute. Okay, y'all. So this is the eyelashes I was talking about. I thought they were strips, but they're clusters. So we're gonna try a thing and try to do it. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so I somewhat managed to get them on. Yeah, so I'm about done. I'm just put on like a little blush, a little highlight, and then put on my clothes and get going. But yeah, this is how the lashes look. Not too bad. Okay, so I am ready for the movies. Yeah, guys, so this is the finished look. We're about to go head out now. Yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a quick little outfit of the night. It's not night. I mean, it is night. It's just right outside. It's after 6, I think. Yeah, so. Okay, so this shirt is from Shein. I got this a while ago. These jeans, don't remember where I got them. Then I have a cute little purse that I got from Shein as well. New watch bling that I just got literally like an hour ago. And Christian Dior sandals. And yeah, cute little movie night outfit. Okay, so I got this top from Shein. I got this from a closet. I got my pants from Jisoo and shoes
from probably like Finish Line or Foot Locker. I can't remember, so long ago.
Cute. So yeah, guys, that's our little outfit. So we're gonna head out now. So see y'all soon. Good morning, y'all. It's beach day. What's up, y'all? So we finally made it to the beach. Yeah, my car got stuck. It was crazy. And then we got some public stuff, little wraps. This beach is a little different. I've never been to this beach before, but well, I mean, I guess it's not that different. There's people, there's sand, there's water, right? But anyways, stay tuned. Woo. Good morning, guys. It's your girl Shanty, and I'm back with another video. So right now we're heading to breakfast. Yesterday we wanted to go to breakfast before church, and we were looking for places. And we saw a lot of TikToks on this one place called Brick and Spoon, but it was closed yesterday. So we're like, okay, we're just gonna come today. So we're about to walk in now. I'm very excited because I'm hungry and I love me some good food. So yeah, I'll let you guys know my real life review on it and how good food is, if it is even good. So yeah. Alright, so we got the appetizers, Devil on the Bayou. It looks really good. Let's see if it tastes as good as it looks. Not bad. Yeah, sorry. The shrimp is really good.
But not the deviled egg.
I give it a 8.5, 9. So I got a pancake and turkey bacon, and this pancake is huge, okay? So let me bite, taste it, and give y'all my review. This pancake is huge. I ran out of storage, but the pancake, it tastes regular. You know what I mean? It's not bad. It's not like, oh my gosh, I've had better pancakes. I'm not gonna lie to you. I give it an 8. What's your review? What's your review? Are you shy?
It's it's an 8, 8.5.
8.5. I'm actually gonna take another bite because it might go down to a 7.5. I don't really know. It tastes a little uncooked to me.
The pancake?
No. The bacon did. Hmm? Yes, you can't really mess up on bacon. It's not bad though.
Yes, you can mess up on bacon. You sure can. How they flip my pancakes? You trying to convince me?
And I will be back because I do like the restaurant. I'm gonna take some more bites for this pancake and let y'all know. Okay, so my second review on the pancakes and my final review is a 7. I wasn't really feeling it. I wasn't. Okay, so I wasn't really feeling the pancake, but I definitely would go back to the restaurant though because the customer service was great. The appetizer, the deviled eggs were really good. But yeah, I'll just get something else, not the pancake. But it was pretty big, so I couldn't finish it. But anyways, I got some boba tea. I just recently started drinking boba tea, and I never used to drink it because I thought like it was overhyped, but it's actually good. But this is my first time getting a creamy one. I usually get like the refreshers or the refreshing ones. My bad, y'all. This is the Thai tea green something. Yeah, it looks pretty. Okay, so about to taste it. Brianna's doesn't really. Okay, so Brianna doesn't really know how she feels about it yet.
And it could be the certain one.
Let me see. Like I said, this is the not matcha, Thai green tea.
That was my face. Did you eat the boba ball?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I see. I don't know if I like the boba ball. That's what happened to me. You gotta like pull it up and drink the tea by itself. I don't know if I like the boba ball, but the tea itself could be weird.
Okay. So, the tea tastes like regular Thai tea.
Yeah.
Which is good. I like
But it could
Thai
be
tea.
sweeter to me. But it's not like.
Did you mix it up?
Yeah, it tastes better now, but like.
I like the tea.
The boba?
These balls, though? This is nasty. Like.
That's what happened to me. Literally, I was like sitting here like. I don't know.
I should have got different balls, but I didn't know because usually, like the
people,
the lychee one, the mango green tea boba tea that I got, it had lychee balls and it like burst in your mouth and it was so freaking good. And then the other one I got the other day was raspberry and it had blueberry balls. It was so good, but these balls is nasty. I was not expecting that.
That's what happened to me. I'm expecting it to taste like something sweet.
Let me try it again. Like you can't even like chew it. Like how are you supposed to eat this? How do you eat it? You eat it?
I think you're supposed to.
I'm not eating that ball. That ball is nasty. But the
What
tea
is
is
it,
good.
though?
It says Tampico. Okay, next time I know not to
When I
ever
used to, like,
get them
play coffee
balls.
shop games, they used to say Tampico, and I always wondered what it was.
Okay. I ain't never getting Tampico balls. That's nasty.
Yeah.
But the tea though, I like the tea. It's kind of hard to swallow without getting the balls in your mouth.
No,
I mean
you have to pull your straw up.
There's a.
Oh.
Okay, where are we going now? Home?
But that's where you want to go.
Where do you want to go?
Nowhere. I don't have nowhere to go.
Bruh.
But you act like there was somewhere
I can't
else
do
to
this ball thing.
When you go home and strain
Can you
it.
get a napkin? That's nasty.
That's
All right, y'all. I think we're going home now. Good morning, guys. Yeah, that's my favorite. Good morning, guys. We are at Busch. I look like a sweaty dog, but it's okay.
But we came here. Thank you for TGH for sponsoring us.
Thanks, TGH, for sponsoring this visit.
So we're not how come.
My cousin here, this is her first time in America, and she's never been to any amusement rides. So, we decided to come to Busch Gardens, and they sponsored her. They sponsored her today. So she's able to explore
Más
Florida.
verdad. Muy verdad.
Muy verdad.
Verdad. Ajá, verdad.
Sí, sí, sí. So thank you,
Sí,
TA.
esa es mi amiga,
Thank
esa es
you.
mi prima aquí. Te quiere ella mucho.
Besos.
Besos.
So yes. All right, y'all. We're gonna have some fun, and I'm excited to eat. We got vouchers and everyday food, and you know I love me a good meal. So we've been waiting in this line for like 45 minutes so far, and now they're having technical difficulties. I don't know how I feel about that. She always on that phone. But I don't know how I feel about that. Y'all, we still didn't get on no rides, but we're hungry, so we're about to eat. The cheetah hunt never came back on, so we left the ride. So. So far we only went on one ride, but it's okay. It was real fun. We went on the Iron Gwazi.
We got all night here.
Oh yeah, the park closes at 10. It's like 4:30 right now, so we got a couple hours. We're gonna try to find a water ride right now because it's so freaking hot. Like the sun is sunning right now. So yes. Excuse me. Let's find a water ride and have some more fun.
You need to
Say that again.
over there. You can see the giraffe.
What's this? If y'all know what that is, comment. This thing right here. But look at the giraffes back there, though. Next ride is the Congo River. I'm excited to get in the Congo River because it's so hot.
And I look like caliente. Hace calor aquí. En este momento hace calor.
Muy calor. Oh, I thought he was saying something else. I'm like, huh? Oh, muy calor.
Hace calor.
Hizo agua, mucho color.
What did you learn?
Botella de agua. Soda. Yo bebo agua muy delicioso.
What? Dang.
Because I be speaking Spanish. Don't even do that.
As you should.
I'm trying to learn Spanish so that I can like just pop out and fluent
Of
Spanish.
your patience.
Help my patience, but like I'm trying to learn like fluent Spanish. Like fluent.
Muy importante. I almost feel the girls how you answer.
Sometimes I be missing my husband, but soon he gonna take me here to Busch Gardens.
We will.
Yeah, so take him everywhere. You heard it here. You heard it here. Hola, mi es Melissa amigo.
Amiga, pero
Amiga.
bueno,
Amiga.
esa es mi amiga.
Mi amor, Melissa. Okay, on the way back home. Well, we're on the train right now. The train.
Why didn't you record us on time?
On Tigers? I wanted my phone.
I haven't put on any of the rides but that one.
It's been a day, a day. I think I'm canceled. Let me not say that. I'm not old at all. But it's time to go home. What?
My lashes gonna fill up.
My lashes stayed intact. I'm surprised. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're up close and personal, obviously, but we're back home from Busch Gardens. It was a very fun day. Shout out to Melissa.
You're welcome.
Thanks, Melissa, for sponsoring this Busch Gardens trip. She's amazing. But yeah, guys, we're back at the crib. Brianna just got out the shower.
toenails and go to sleep.
She about to cut her toenails because them things kind of long. And ain't that right? But yeah, guys. I don't know what's up next, but whatever does happen, I'll let you guys know. But for tonight, I think that's all. So have a good night, guys. And I'll see y'all in the next clip.